Welcome to an exploration of clinical psychology, a specialized field of healthcare dedicated to the scientific study and treatment of mental and behavioral health conditions. In a world where mental well-being is paramount, understanding the functions of clinical psychology helps us appreciate the complexity of the human mind and soul. The journey begins with the process of assessment, a foundational phase where professionals use structured methods to gather comprehensive information about a patient's life. In a quiet, comfortable office setting, a clinical psychologist uses their expertise to create a space of safety, allowing individuals to share their deepest concerns. This empathetic interview process is essential for building rapport, ensuring that every patient feels heard, understood, and respected from the very first meeting. Beyond conversation, psychologists utilize various psychological testing tools, such as the Rorschach ink blots, to uncover subconscious thoughts and personality traits that might be hidden. Modern assessment also incorporates digital interfaces, allowing for precise data collection and standardized testing to ensure the most accurate evaluation of cognitive and emotional functions. By gathering these diverse data points, the clinician begins to piece together the puzzle of a person's mental state, looking for clarity amidst complex symptoms. Diagnosis involves recognizing emotional states through a clinical lens. Contemplation and introspection are often the first steps in identifying internal struggles and deep-seated emotions. The frantic energy of a busy city street can represent the overwhelming nature of anxiety, one of the many conditions clinical psychologists work to diagnose. Conversely, the serene beauty of a park symbolizes the goal of diagnosis, finding the right path toward tranquility, emotional balance, and long-term mental healing. Professionals spend hours reviewing patient charts and medical histories, meticulously documenting symptoms to ensure that the eventual diagnosis is grounded in clinical evidence. By identifying specific patterns of behavior and emotion, clinical psychologists can distinguish between different disorders, providing a roadmap for the treatment journey that lies ahead. Treating these disorders requires a variety of therapeutic modalities. One-on-one talk therapy remains a cornerstone, offering a private environment for profound personal transformation and growth. Group therapy sessions provide a supportive circle where individuals can share their experiences, finding strength in community and learning from others on similar healing paths. Cognitive behavioral therapy, often facilitated through interactive exercises on tablets, helps patients identify and change negative thought patterns, replacing them with healthier, constructive alternatives. Throughout these sessions, the therapist maintains a focus on active listening, ensuring that every word the patient says is processed with professional care and empathy. The foundation of successful treatment is the bond of trust between the patient and therapist, a partnership dedicated to achieving the patient's personal wellness goals. The impact of clinical psychology is seen in the real world. We see success when a patient walks confidently through a park, feeling present and alive. We see it when a family embraces, their bonds strengthened by the emotional growth and resilience one member has achieved through dedicated professional support and therapy. Success is evident when a person returns to their professional life, greeting colleagues with a genuine smile and a renewed sense of purpose and productivity. As the day ends, the psychologist's office stands quiet. The empty chair is a powerful symbol of a patient who has gained the tools to move forward. A sunrise over the cityscape represents the hope and new beginnings that clinical psychology offers to millions of people seeking a better quality of mental life. In conclusion, clinical psychology is the science of understanding and the art of healing, providing the essential support needed for a healthier, more resilient society.